All right, guys, we've got the CRISLEX 2 rechargeable pool LED submersible lights with a remote control. Now, I think I'm an LED guy. I'm going to turn these off so you guys can see what they're like as far as like brightness wise. And then we're going to take these out to the hot tub and I'm going to show you how they work in the water. But here's brightness wise what you're getting. You can see how it reflects on my, oh, I kind of like that double, like it's blue over here, it's red over here. Woo, woo. Okay, straight up. Dude, I just like having fun with LED lights. These are vibes, dude. LED lights are vibes. So when you're doing these in your pool or your hot tub, these are massive vibe ups. You've got a remote here. That remote allows you to easily change the color. It allows you to do things like fade. We're going to let that happen for a second. Isn't that cool, dude? And then it changes color. It's got flash. I mean, there's just a lot of different cool things you can do. You got smooth. So what I like about these is, let's turn those off for a second, is they're just vibes, dude. They add vibes and ambiance. Like, dude, let's face it, we live in a stressed out world, stressed out culture. Everyone's trying to keep up with their schedule, get from point A to point B before they got to get to C. And the thing about it is they're already thinking about Z because they're going to be late. And they're always late and you're never present. One of the things we use LED lights for in our hot tub is to bring presence to our lives, to connect with ourselves, to connect with God, to connect with the other person we're in the hot tub with. And the cool thing about this is we even have glue. What you do, if you want, you can actually glue these to the side of your pool. So this is the thing. What they do is they slide right into that unit. And then what you can do is they provide glue. You can glue that onto the back and it'll stick in your pool, even in the water. So they have glue that works in the water. These are also easily rechargeable with this USB charger. You can charge both of them at the same time. And that slot is just right here at the bottom. Again, what I like about these is they're fully submersible, but you could also just vibe them out. You could just have them in your room, on your desk at night. Like, these could be on your coffee table at night. Like, dude, there is no limit to what LEDs can do for your life. Even in the bedroom, dude, LEDs are massive vibes. We're going to go out right now and show you these LEDs in the hot tub. Let's go. All right, guys, we are out in the hot tub. There's some beautiful lights around us. But the hot tub is just kind of, it's awesome, but it's like you can't tell yet. And that's what these are for. These LED lights tell you how awesome the hot tub is. And all you do is you just chuck them in there. And you can do flash. You can do fade. You can do smooth. And let's go solid for a second. So you can also change the colors individually. You can just like select different colors straight from the remote. Also, the last thing I want to show is you can dim it. You can dim them a bit and brighten them. So at the end of the day, I want to be, let's have a bro down session for a second. I believe that there's a chance there are literally potentially over 500 brands of these floating around on Amazon. But you ended up on my review because I'm showing you that these work. Stop looking at all the rest of the products. Just buy these and move on with your life so you can be happy in your hot tub or your pool with your LED lights.